And on the list, we also have being a sales rep. So we've talked about high ticket, but high ticket works because there's the person making the course and they can take the sales calls themselves. But when they want to scale, they obviously can't be taking, 20 sales calls a day because the sales call is like 45 minutes long, which you have to really take up an hour of your day. Not to mention that there's no shows. So sometimes people don't show up to calls. And if you run ads, half the people might not show up. Like that's average. So if you have 10 call slots a day, you work 10 hours a day, but you're only really taking 5 calls per day to begin with. So you need sales reps. And that's what this business is. It's not really a business. It's more like you're self-employed, to be honest, which is why I'm going to put it in A tier, because if you learn how to sell, so many opportunities just open up, because then you can start a program about how to sell. You can charge $10,000 for that. Like seriously. I've seen programs for how to sell, they cost a lot of money. They never cost under $5,000. And then that would be the smartest progression. If I were a sales rep, or I was going to become one, I would learn to be the best I can in sales. And then I would start my own training company to teach people how to sell. Because the sales rep is never going to make 100K per month on commission, but he's going to make 100K to 500K per month teaching other people how to become better at sales. And as you can see, like, it all comes down to selling digital products, teaching something you know or something that you're passionate about. And that's exactly how, again, I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit. And if you're serious about making money online, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment on this video. You'll get access to my private school community and program where I'm teaching people just like you how they can monetize their passion or interests with digital products. It's literally the business model all the gurus are doing, even the ones who tell you to do dropshipping or all these other things. And it's made me thousands of dollars a day. And I am personally going to show you everything step by step. So click the link in the description below and join today.